Have you ever wondered if Google is saving your Gemini AI conversations? Many users don't realize that Gemini activity can be stored in their Google account. If you're concerned about privacy, there's a setting you should change right now. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Gemini Apps Activity and automatically delete old activity in just a few clicks. Let's begin. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that you use with Gemini. Now, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the panel on the left side. Click on AI Innovations. Now click on the option called Gemini in Chrome. Now scroll down until you find Gemini Apps Activity. Click on it. You will now see that Gemini Apps Activity is turned on. Click the On button. Select Turn Off and Delete Activity. Google will now display information about what happens when this feature is disabled. According to Google, your future Gemini chats won't appear in your activity history. They also won't be used to train Google's AI models unless you choose to send feedback. Google may still keep conversations for up to 72 hours for security, safety, and service purposes. Also remember that some connected apps may not work when this setting is turned off. After reading the information, click Confirm. That's it. Gemini Apps Activity is now disabled. Next, let's enable automatic deletion. Look for the option called Deleting Activity Older than 18 months. Click on it. You will see the available auto-delete settings. Select the option you prefer. For most users, automatic deletion is a good way to improve privacy while keeping account management simple. Save the changes. And you're done. Your older Gemini activity will now be removed automatically according to the schedule you've selected. This is one of the easiest privacy settings you can change, and it only takes a minute. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on notifications so you don't miss future tech tutorials, Windows tips, AI guides, and privacy updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.